He's a liar. Me Ken Agyapong, me Nkopacho. Why a liar?
Say to with Ken Agyapong. Where Jimmy Papa? Who Jimmy for Papa?
All right, in the honorable Ken Agyapong, Ebeka said, Dr. Bawumia said the amount for Casa or a liar, no, a yampa or a liar. Efa and Sembia, honorable Ken Agyapong, so say, Dr. Bawumia, Echo Kanye, Ewa Ashanti region, Efa Professor Dubuahen home, and Dr. Bawumia, chairman of campaign communications, Nana Komia, HS, and Dr. Bawumia, ne Kanye, and honorable Ken Agyapong, and Tra, or they took. Dr. Bawumia so no ome pacho honorable Ken Agyapong said that on pacho no actually the India was on pacho now we and honorable Ken Agyapong di kan.
I've never seen a liar like our former flag bearer on earth. He's a liar. Said Edubuahin one contested because not oya. This man is a liar. Today I tell you he's a liar. You shouldn't vote for a liar. A man who is lying to have power. Wow. Won't hear the history. Edubuahin occurred 1992 and we win. And occurred general election and we lose. 1996, the former black flag bearer Ejine Kumasi Kasena Edubuahin Yare. Kufuor contested Edubuahin in 1996 and Kufuor BT Edubuahin. Edibaye flag bearer. He was fighting to go on the post, and they did not agree. And we contested. I will pay power. Obi abedi o mining now to be detro a distorted history. Say, Mesra Mamon to Abama. Bawumia. Obi a man in nickname so we're a liar. More than a bar, we're a liar, and the people are not going to vote for him. He's not a trustworthy person. When I heard him yesterday saying that, I said, what? A presidential candidate who wants people to vote for him will look eyeball to eyeball and lie. He's a big liar. Men the makachira money or a liar. So to me, Kojina said, na Edubuahin yare. Wow. The message Edubuahin was contested by Kufuor. And Kufuor BT, you know. Check history.
So this is the video. Nana Komia edi letter eba out ni sa shasia o kyerese ensem ni nyina honorable Ken Agyapong kan onim di nti honorable Ken Agyapong edi ntro to Dr. Bawumia so enyon ne kan ye chema wontumi ne kan sansem no edi nti na honorable Ken Agyapong epese o attack Dr. Bawumia enu nti o mepa achew honorable so da
na no meka sem bi ni nti a me Ken Agyapong me nkopa achew. Hey, and you are Papa. What shall you be a chi? I'm yet dimatama. The Gagatina is a liar. Almost broke from the way you could see. Why a liar? My repeated you. Why a liar? And the woman's uncle with TV, baby. Some mimic and Agyapong were a liar. Why a liar? Making you a mistake. Enyoma bebire waka waditro ama MPP fo person na winning ti o makataso memeze maka o be me dan maka. He's a liar. Akamfo yani emomo akamfo mobo sa wutumi kogina sachira from place etimi nka sa wunye siremni yantoma wa na wanya santifo ene ya kamfo edi nachi se wodi ya mufere. Wow, I'm making a ready say you do Asin Central you be show abomati o masun kasa ponya jidie asenfo da bia ya yusufu to say doormat ya demo kwaji power central region ya dia kwaji power ya dia ji power wia na ya nam yeso etimi kwaji 23 seats ni enya 19 seats enya 19 seats ni amaye 2 ministers bi akwanche ministry ni e amaye this time central region the president is also coming from
How can you be a leader? Kobisa Yas Antoa. Kobisa was here to do. If they were gentlemen who were smiling, no, they were fighters. And that is who Ken Agyapong is.
Politics inti. Wakotene TV so ubo tunfo say to the went me and for respect. Kura nka ho. O say to side on sabenkum. Ene address se o say tutu. E address na body nkase se o say tutu. Wey odi bedi asem adibem. Me say me nana akwala 2 years ni nyansa esene wukusi na wosi wa wosi proye. Wo so ye lawyer no. Wonim hwe bon tie nim guase akwaje in court. Na aka se ho antenna afro lawyer kumpala no akoka nkwase asem na aka se ye no. Wo hu anim guase akwaje in court. Wa bon se kuro as the assembly akodi ya wudi uchimi no bon kwatena objection kra lawyer judge no epam wa o ma wo objective obi a wudi gina wo wani guase se ekuru wa bon papa lawyer ukogina court free court anu aba social media no abe cancel free court na onwe sei wa kwa wi anim guase we o ma be gina ho se hwan na say o final west hwan na wo ka na o se me chia me yere jimifo ya won hwe nkrofo lawyers no wo final words ya won hwe kwasi ya wa bon se kuro wo bon nti na mo hwe no o bon fo ete se wo kurasi ni kwasi ampanyini be ma wo se pro ya wo se su abubu wo jimi ni wani hu hahancho hwan na epe so odi nkunim ode na asem bebreo de wo asema wodi hu nkunim ya ante na TV so ya fro na lawyer kumpala no akoka no ho wuntimi fa nkokot nkoka asem papa bia wo ho jimifo lawyer wa bon se wo kwase a wo tiwe kra wo yare kidney yare a wo tiwe wo danuru so eba wo ntimi nkanya ansasem bia ti wo nya nipa ye fa wo se koka asem wo nya nipa ye fa wo se koka asem e ka wo yare no podi nya we na se abo da mama wo yare na anu a wo fa na ma wo ntimi nka asem papa bia eba wo ntimi nka asem papa hwede wo gina ho a wo ankasa hwede wo gina ho a waye wo bi a wakokota akoka asem a wawe wo na obekire MPP for the omelidi e yaba me ka kire mo wo sase ti wo asase ana odi me ka se eyo no lawyer Kusi na yesa na menyim de me na asiso ameka na ne wono ankasa abeka no na menyim so wo wi nti obesua nyansa no wasua book no wahu si ye the book ne kasa no waje agimi no wo be compare otumfo president a wo mabaga na abedi nyina ho ana na hu so okontokwa hwan na kontokwa hwan na eka oba atwe eka na sefo kwasi ampanyini we esori so ye lawyer we sori so ye lawyer wa jime se hu se edin kura wo bo no ntimi fa unsa benkum address se edin no kwasi am se wo ba wia wanim guase a wa gene Ghana ha nim guase fita kwasi abema wa jimi sa